I'm Lynn Talbott, the Bookkeepers Coach. I take bookkeepers from operator to business owner.
But collaborating with a CPA can provide you with invaluable insights. It really will transform your approach to bookkeeping, because what you think you know or what you've been taught as a bookkeeper is only part of the puzzle that the client needs. The client needs accurate financials. The CPA needs tax-ready financials. And sometimes those go together easily, and sometimes they can sort of get a little bit wishy-washy or almost conflict. And that's your job as the communicator. You're the bridge between the client and the CPA and all of that data. So you're kind of like the data collector. You have to figure out what it is that the client needs and what it is that the CPA needs, and make sure that the file meets both of those. So like I said, sometimes that's easy and sometimes it's not, depending on what kind of file you have inherited. We all know that we inherit files that can be considered a dumpster fire. And you've got to figure out, how in the world did anybody file taxes on this last year? Have you ever done that? You've gotten a file and you're like, there's no way this is correct. There's just junk everywhere and duplications and things like that. And so your job is to get that cleaned up in an orderly manner. But you have to remember, every time you're doing something in the file for the bookkeeper, as the bookkeeper, it could affect the client's taxes. So everything you do, how does this affect what I'm going to give to the CPA? How does this affect the IRS? How does this affect, their tax situation? Every time you're entering transactions and moving things around, that's what you have to think about. Now, you're not the CPA and you're not giving the advice, but you have to work with the CPA so that you know what the CPA wants. So I hope that makes sense, that you're that little bridge there. And as you feel more confident, you can span that bridge and grow in strengths in both of those areas.